Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser drawer in a Whirlpool washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dispenser drawer. The dispenser drawer is located at the top left corner of the washer. It's equipped with compartments for a detergent, for softener, and for the bleach that are dispensed in the tub automatically. If you notice soapy water puddles on the left front side of the washer after the end of the cycle, it's time to check and replace the dispenser drawer if needed. I'm going to pull out the dispenser drawer. Then I'm going to push down the lock and take it out completely. Let's place the drawer on the top of the washer and turn it over. And next we need to press down these two tabs to release the handle. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. And it's released. Pull it up and remove the front handle. Put it aside. This is the old dispenser drawer next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, here's the new dispenser drawer. And we're going to install the handle. I'm going to turn it over and match these three tabs with three slots at the bottom here. And bring it up, push it in, and there's two tabs locks. And now we're going to slide the new dispenser drawer in. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.